Good morning, class. Here today we will be studying the topic nouns and its kinds. So basically, what is a noun? From the smaller sections we have been reading out. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word that names everything all around us, such as the person, place, animal or thing, and even the ideas or state of mind. Okay. So if noun names everything, then its kind would be also naming everything. So the all 5 kinds which we have of noun will be naming everything out around us. And how it would be naming, that we will study today. The first one is your proper noun. As the name specifies, it is a proper naming of anything. Specific name for a person, place, animal or thing. Then comes to the common noun. Common noun does what? In general, whatever is present around us, any person, place, animal or thing, that is named by the common noun. Such as if we are naming any hospital, we just say a place, then it's a hospital. Okay, it is a common. Any hospital could be there. We can name any hospital. Then school, any school we can name it out. So it would be in general we are naming something, some place. So it is a common noun. Then we have the collective noun. Collective, as the name specifies, collection means the group of something. So the group of name given for a group of any noun is called collective noun. For example, when we have many things, say bundle of sticks. So here we specify it as bundle of sticks. Bundle means the group of the sticks which we have gathered out. Then we have the fourth kind of noun, that is the material noun. Material means any item, any raw material used to make any new thing. Okay, for the manufacturing of new things. For example, oil is there, water is there, paper is there, rubber is there. For making tires we use rubber. Okay, for making the windows and everything we use glass. So these all are becoming the material here in the material noun. Okay. Then we have the last one, abstract noun. Abstract means the things which we cannot see. Okay, only we can feel them. The name of the ideas or the state of mind or the feelings. For example, honesty, then foolishness. Okay, such things that we cannot see, only we can feel. We cannot see anyone's honesty. Okay, but we can feel that with their behavior. Okay. So here it is all. Thank you, class.